It's not a bad approach, but this, I'm going to be in the area and want to stop by and talk to you. We're knocking that off. Okay, we're not doing that anymore. Here's why. I'm going to be in the area. When we look at, because words matter, when we look at the words we use, both through our mouth and on our keyboard, what does I'm going to be in the area automatically highlight? A weakness that we're not in the area, right? It's like we're literally being like, hey, I don't swim, but I'm going to be on the boat. Right? Like, and I'm not saying we're lying to people and saying we have offices in the area that we don't, but when we use words like I'm going to be in the area, I want to stop by, what ends up happening is everybody goes, we're all good, we're too busy, thank you so much. Or somebody that's just really nice. Okay, there's 3 groups of people that respond to I'm going to be in the area. Number 1, we're all good, we're too busy, I'm all set, thank you. Okay, that's the majority. Number 2, call them the courteous people. Okay, they're the second worst. Right? Courteous people are the second worst because they're just courteous and they want to be respectful to you. And you reached out to them, so they're going to do you a solid and have the meeting. They're not even going to listen to you during the meeting. Who's the worst? The worst are people, and they have them at these flooring providers, that think that they're going to make their way through their career by looking busy. So anybody who schedules a meeting with them, it's not a curious thing. That's how I do my job. Oh, guys, I am super important at this company. I got a meeting with Paul in 10 minutes, right? And these are you can tell these people a mile away because they're the ones that schedule meetings with their team, and there's nothing that goes on in the meeting, and everybody uses big, whatever the trendy buzzwords are, and nothing gets done. Those are horrible too, because your people are flying out. You got boots in the ground. This is an expensive meeting, and you got somebody that's just like, and they're just waiting because you're burning another hour of their day. Okay, so let's knock it off with the meetings.